Hey kids! Let's learn about the series circuit today. Remove a small amount of paper backing from the copper tape and start applying the copper tape on the brown trace line. Try to maintain a continuous strip with no cuts. Fold the copper tape at the corners and smoothen with your finger. It's time to mount the LEDs. But before you do that, determine which leg of the LED is positive and which leg is negative. Make sure the copper tape is properly covering the legs of the LED. Place two batteries on the given battery circle with negative side facing down. Fold the corner along the given line and use paper clip to secure the corner. Your circuit is now complete. Isn't learning fun?